So, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your SIM card is not getting detected on your Nokia 5. The first steps you could take would be to go into Settings, System, Advanced, scroll down and tap on System Update, just to make sure your system is up to date. If it is not, update it and check if it's still not detecting your SIM card. Next best step would be to go back to Reset Options instead of updating and resetting Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. However, if that still doesn't fix your problem, you might have to use the little hairpin you would have gotten with your phone to pop out the SIM card slots. Then take out the SIM card, clean it up with a soft cloth, and put it back in. However, if that still doesn't fix your problem, you might try putting it into the other slot. If it still doesn't work, try putting it into another phone. If it doesn't work there, and either you would have to probably order a new SIM card from your provider, but if it does work with another phones, you might have to give up your phone for service. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.